Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY fountain at home with very simple and easy materials. This is not going to be non-stop, but this goes on for a pretty long time. You're going to need a cup of water, a balloon, a bottle, and a tray or a box to hold the water which comes out so you don't make a mess. So the first step you're going to do is to make a hole at the top of the cap and insert a straw and make sure there are no leaks. I have done it, as you can see here, and I have used insulation tape. Don't use paper or plastic tape because they get wet and the tape wears off when it touched by water. But insulation tape and waterproof tape work well. I'm using insulation tape. You can use waterproof tape or hot glue. I'll be putting this down. Next, you need to make a hole here, somewhere in the bottle, so air gets a place to escape. Now, you need to take the balloon, put it above here, and insert the top of the balloon to the top of the cap. Okay, now you need to close the hole and blow. Can you blow it? You can't blow it because the air in the bottle does not have a space to escape and thus does not allow the balloon to get inflated. Now I have removed the hole and it's free. Let's insert it again. Now let's blow. Now you can close the hole. The balloon should not deflate. Next, add the water slowly. I have poured my whole 1 cup of water here. Now we need to screw the lid. That's when the fun begins. And make sure you use this so it doesn't make a mess. And make sure to screw up tightly. Look here, the fountain is coming and it looks quite pretty, and it stops after some while because we didn't put enough water or we didn't blow enough. If you take the right size of container, you can use a phenyl bottle if you want so much fountain. You can use a phenyl bottle for instance and blow it up so much and put so much water, it will come for more time. Let me tell the science behind it now. As we have left the hole, when air enters the bottle, there is a different change in the air pressure which allows the balloon to deflate and thus makes the water inside come up through the only passageway, a straw, and makes a beautiful fountain. I guess you can enjoy making this fountain at home. Please like, share and subscribe this video and leave a nice comment below. Bye!